Serve the Madeleine because it's a really nice accompaniment.
Ice cream, where's the ice cream?
It's like a nice little sort of baked sponge. Once you've tasted the perfect Madeleine, yes, trust me, you'll never ever forget it. 50 like that, and they're all going to pay for it. Yes?
Yes, chef.
Right, first of all, Madeleine's in.
So what am I doing, the apples or the pears? I'm doing the pears.
You're doing the pears, I'm doing the apples.
How many am I doing them for?
Calvados first, apple juice last. Wash your fingers, pull it back. Get the bottle away from the flame, you'll go up in a fucking... Oh. That's it, let's go. Can we send that, please? Keep the pan, don't toss it with Calvados in there, you'll fucking set yourself on fire.
Come on, we can do this, girls, come on.
Come on.
You come on. Come on, girls, come on.
Careful, careful. You really hurt yourself, yeah?
Certainly,
Very
chef.
careful now, yeah?
Unfortunately, my part of my dessert is burnt.
Oh, well burned. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it back. All right?
Supposed to get changed.
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
no
brilliant.
problem.
Okay, nice one, thank you.
Hey guys, everyone's laughing and fucking around. Let me just show you something. Hello? Look, there you go. Yeah, that's just come back.
Before it goes on, please don't open check it.
So
I did do
right
that,
now,
Chef.
right
No.
now, you're all making yourselves look fucking stupid. Okay? So,
Chef.
hey, no, don't chef me.
Excuses, chef,
yeah,
but we
don't
had to
chef
put
me.
a tray there because I didn't have nowhere
Yeah.
to put the other trays. I got
Listen,
it off as quick as I could.
listen. Don't serve black Madeleines. End of story. Okay?
Chef, that was a mishap. All the others, if you look, I put them in the fucking bin. I missed one.
It's
Sorry.
come back.
Yeah, but as I said, I missed one. Every other Madeleine that's burnt is in the bin. I threw them in there. I must have missed one.
The customer just sent it back.
I know
You're
that, and I
arguing over
apologise.
nothing.
No, I'm not arguing. I'm apologising because
What?
I thought I got them all off.
That's the
burnt
standard
ones.
of your apology. Hello? Hey.
Sorry, chef. I am sorry, chef. Right, these ones are burnt as well, chef.
Would that be the burnt one?
After such a
Mind
good
your
fucking
backs,
start.
mind your backs.
There you go.
Right, they're burnt, aren't they, chef?
Yes.
Turn the tray out.
No, not
They're
like
not
that.
burnt.
Right, they're lovely. Right, we've got some Madeleines. You've got another tray left in there.
Fucking hell. OK, let's go. Ladies, please. Here we go. Let's go. Guff, let's go. Results of the desserts. How do you think you've done?
We worked a lot harder, I think, on the dessert. We've done a bit more teamwork on the dessert than we did on the main.
So, 37 out of 50 for starters, 30 out of 50 for main, out of 50 diners, yes?
Come on.
29 are happy to pay for it.
Oh, my God.
It was really hard.
That's a grand total of 96 out of 150.
Oh, my God, that is terrible.
That's terrible.
We ain't coming back.
If you worked harder as a team and spent less time shouting at each
We
other,
could have achieved a little bit more.
you could have done it a lot better. Why are you so gobby?
I was trying to be the leader.
Yes?
Yes, chef.
Right. Hey, there's only one fucking leader here.
That's you.
Okay.